Hello everyone. Today topic will be Bool tool. So we go to Edit, Preference, and here type Bool tool. Okay, check this. Turn this on, and now let's check this add-on. So 8 box, Shift E, duplicate, and with Shift select the second one, and Control minus on numpad. Here we have Boolean in real time. Let's go a little further. So if you want to apply this, go to modifier and click apply. Okay, let's go a little further. So cube, D, and now with shift select the second one, and now control plus. Apply the modifier. Now we have these two objects welded together. So we can do, for example,